Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of Photoshop tools. If you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this video is perfect for you. We'll explore essential tools that are readily available from the toolbox on the left-hand side of your screen. So, let's get started. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Now, let's jump into the exciting realm of Photoshop tools. As you launch Photoshop, you'll notice the toolbox on the left-hand side. This is where the magic happens. All the essential tools are neatly organized for your creative journey. Keep an eye on the top of your screen as well. The options for each tool are displayed here, providing you with additional settings and functionalities. It's like having a customizable toolkit right at your fingertips. Here's a pro tip. Click and hold your mouse pointer on a tool to reveal more tools within the same category. It's a quick and easy way to access additional features and expand your creative possibilities. Now, let's talk about the pen tool. This powerful tool creates precise paths using anchor points, allowing you to manipulate and customize your designs with incredible accuracy.
The pen tool is an essential feature in Photoshop that allows you to create precise shapes, paths, and selections. To use the pen tool in Photoshop, locate it in the toolbar or press P on your keyboard. Then select either path or shape in the options bar. A path defines an area and is perfect for making cutouts, while a shape can be filled with different colors and outlined with a stroke. Click on the canvas to create anchor points with the pen tool. For straight lines, simply click on each point, and for curved lines, click and drag to shape the curves. You can adjust the path shape by dragging the handles that appear on each anchor point, enabling you to create smooth curves and straight lines as desired. After creating a path with the pen tool, you can refine it by adjusting anchor points, modifying control handles, or even adding or deleting anchor points. Press the Control or Command key to temporarily switch to the Direct Selection tool for selecting and manipulating individual anchor points and control handles.
The crop tool is a game changer. Learn how to select specific areas of an image and discard unwanted portions outside the chosen section. It's perfect for refining your composition and focusing on what matters most.
The crop tool is an incredibly useful feature in Photoshop that allows you to fine-tune your images by trimming, straightening, or expanding them. To access the crop tool quickly, simply press C on your keyboard. When you select the crop tool, a crop border will appear on your image, dividing it into thirds. To crop your image, click and drag the corner handles around the area you'd like to keep. You can also rotate your image left and right by clicking just outside the corner handles and dragging. Once you're happy with your selection, simply hit Enter or Return on your keyboard to set the crop. In the options bar, you'll find several settings to customize your cropping experience. One important option is the Delete Cropped Pixels checkbox. By default, this option is enabled, meaning cropped pixels are permanently removed. If you'd like to keep and hide the pixels outside the crop area instead, simply deselect this option. This way you can go back and recrop your image later if needed without losing any pixels. The crop tool is perfect for resizing your image and perfecting your composition.
Need to relocate a selected piece? The Move or Marquee tool has you covered. Learn how to manually move selected elements anywhere on the canvas, giving you full control over your composition.
The Marquee tools are used specifically to create rectangular or elliptical selections on your image. They're one of the many ways to create selections in Photoshop. To use the Marquee tools, simply select them from the toolbar or press M as your keyboard shortcut. Next, click and drag over the area you want to select. You can use the Marquee tools to move and transform your selection as well. If you want to constrain your aspect ratio, creating a perfect square or circle, simply hold down the Shift key while dragging. To move your selection while creating it, hold down the spacebar. Move it to the desired location, let go of the spacebar, and apply the transformation. If you want to draw out from the center as you drag, hold down the Alt or the Option key. After you make a Marquee selection, you can copy, paste to a new layer, delete, duplicate, or apply effects or adjustments. This gives you the ability to manipulate your selections and create unique images. The Move tool is an essential part of Photoshop, allowing you to move not only individual layers, but entire groups. This makes it a powerful tool for organizing and arranging your workspace. With the Move tool, you can also rotate, skew, and scale your selections. Just make sure the Show Transform Controls options in the options bar is enabled. Once enabled, you'll see transform handles around the corners of your selection. Click and drag these handles to modify your selection. And don't forget, you can quickly access the Move tool at any time by pressing V on your keyboard. The Move tool also has an auto select feature, which allows you to easily switch between selecting layers and groups. To use this feature, simply enable the auto select checkbox in the options bar and choose either layer or group from the drop-down menu. For more precise adjustments, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge elements in small increments. And here's an advanced tip. Hold down the Shift key while dragging an element with the Move tool to constrain its movement to a straight line, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally.
The Lasso tool is similar to the Marquee tool, but with a twist. Discover how to make custom selections by drawing freehand. It's perfect for those intricate details that require a personal touch.
The Lasso tools in Photoshop provide versatile ways to create custom selections, perfect for making adjustments or creating masks. These powerful tools allow for quick freehand selections as well as beautiful selections with precise line edges. To access the lasso tools, press L on the keyboard or find them in the toolbar. Click and hold the lasso tool icon to reveal the lasso tool and the polygonal lasso tool. The lasso tool lets you make quick freehand selections by drawing around an object or area. The selection will be just as precise as it's drawn. This tool is ideal for quick organic shape selections. To add to the selection, hold the Shift key and draw around additional areas. To remove parts of a selection, hold Alt or Option and draw around the areas you'd like to remove. While using the lasso tool, hold Alt or Option to temporarily convert it to the polygonal lasso tool, allowing for straight lines. When you let go of Alt or Option, it will automatically change back to the lasso tool. The polygonal lasso tool allows you to create custom straight edge selections by clicking on points around an object. To remove selection points, simply press the Delete key on the keyboard. To close the selection, either double-click or connect the last point to the first one. Holding the Alt or the Option key while using the polygonal lasso tool will temporarily convert it to the lasso tool, allowing for curved selections. When you let go of Alt or Option, the tool will automatically convert back to the polygonal lasso tool.
Say hello to the Quick Selection tool. This gem allows you to select areas based on edges, similar to the magnetic lasso tool. It's a speedy and efficient way to make precise selections in no time.
The Quick Selection tool is an easy way to make selections in your images, as it automatically finds and follows the edges within your image. This makes it ideal for selecting objects with well-defined boundaries. To adjust the size of the Quick Selection tool, you can use the brackets on your keyboard or adjust the size of the brush in the options bar. A larger brush size will allow you to make broader selections, while a smaller brush size will give you more precision. To use the Quick Selection tool, click and drag over the area you want to select. The tool will automatically follow the edges within the image. To add to the selection, hold the Shift key and click and drag over additional areas you want to include. To remove an area from the selection, hold Alt or Option and click and drag over the area you'd like to remove. Don't forget, you can easily access the Quick Selection tool by using the W key on your keyboard. This shortcut makes it even easier to select objects in your image.
And there you have it, an in-depth look at some essential Photoshop tools. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, mastering these tools will undoubtedly elevate your creative projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below with any specific tools you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, happy creating!